Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast that looks to energize and refocus you to chase down your dreams, make big plans, and make them happen and come true for you. Here's your quote for today. If it was easy, everyone would do it. A statement so true. If all the hard things were easy, everyone would be doing it. Everyone would be happy skipping around, accomplishing thing after thing, task after task, and all their dreams, one after another, with such ease. But where is the fulfillment in any of that? How would you see the real winners? The ones that work hard day after day? Truth be told, it's not easy, and there's no reason for that. Hard work isn't for everyone, but for the ones it is, those are the real winners.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.